Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to create a custom shortcut and menu using the CUI command. Let's get started. First, let's see how to manually create a revision cloud with existing objects. To do this, use the revCloud command and choose arc length. In this case, I'm using an arc length of 5. Then, choose the object to select and hit enter. Now, you can choose the direction, yes or no. You've seen how long it takes to create a revision cloud with existing objects. Now, let's create a shortcut for the same process. Use the command CUI to open the Customize User Interface window. Once it's open, there is an option in the bottom left corner to create a custom shortcut. Just click that and change the command name as you wish. In this example, I'm going to name it Custom REVC. Next, let's create the macro code. By default, there will be a text that means close all existing actions before running this code, similar to pressing the escape key 2 times. Let's keep it as it is and click to open the string editor. Type the _revCloud command. The underscore lets AutoCAD know the command or option provided is the global or English name. This is required for macros to work correctly across multiple languages. Then add a semicolon. This acts like hitting the enter key after the command. Now, we need to choose arc length. Just type A, then a semicolon. Again, the semicolon acts like hitting the enter key, and type the value as needed. I'm going to use 5, then type double semicolon, which means keeping the same value for both minimum and maximum arc length, and to choose object just type O then a semicolon, and end with a backslash. This backslash means leaving the user to choose the direction. That's it. Hit apply and OK. Shortcut created. Let's create a custom menu to keep this shortcut and other frequently used commands for easy access. Type CUI and hit enter. Now find the menu, then right-click and select New Menu option. Use a name as you wish. I'm going to name it QC. Once it's done, find the created shortcut and drag it under this new menu. Make sure to add a symbol. This can be added initially during creation. You may add frequently used commands as well. Hit apply and OK. If the menu bar is not visible, type menu bar and enter 1 to enable it. Let's try the created custom REVC shortcut. Here we go, it's working fine. That's all everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel.